Hi dear students, today we will discuss the topics constituents of food and balanced diet. First, let's discuss constituents of food. Food contains certain substances called nutrients. Nutrients give energy to our body. They protect our body against diseases and help in its growth and development. There are five main nutrients in the food. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Our body needs all the nutrients in right amounts. Let's discuss about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy to our body. Wheat, rice, corn, bread, potato, and sugar are some sources of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They include sugar, starch, and cellulose. Sugars are simple carbohydrates. Next, fats. Fats give more energy than carbohydrates. Milk, oil, ghee, butter, cheese, and dry fruits are some sources of fats. Excessive intake of fatty foods can cause obesity. Fats are the best energy giving foods. Fats also contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but in different proportions. When compared to carbohydrates, they give energy particularly when the body runs short of carbohydrates. They work like the body's energy bank. The fats stored under the skin act as insulator and cutting down heat loss in cold weather and also helps to keep us warm. Next, proteins. Proteins help in growth. They also help in repairing damaged tissues and cells of our body. Milk, pulses, brains, eggs, and meat are some sources of proteins. Next, vitamins. Such inorganic food items whose small amount is useful for growth and development of our body is called vitamins. These are not synthesized in animal's body. We need vitamin for normal growth of our body, to keep the body healthy, to increase the immunity of the body, for normal working of digestive system, and for normal appetite. Six major vitamins are vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Minerals. We must take certain amount of minerals per day in our diet for proper growth, development, and building our body. There are nearly 24 types of minerals that are found in our body. But most useful among them are calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, copper, potassium, etc. We need minerals for body building. Minerals are the controller of the body. Also, they are essential for the functioning of the body. Next, water. Water is an essential component of our body. 70% part of our body is water. Water works as a solvent in our body. It controls the temperature of our body and also keep us protected from diseases. It helps in excretion of harmful substances from our body. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. Roughage or fiber. A fibrous substance called cellulose is found in shelled grains, fruits, carrots, radish, spinach, okra, beans, cabbage, etc., which we consume in our diet. These fibers are called roughage. Roughage helps in the digestion of food. Food does not cling to intestine due to roughage. It absorbs toxic substances and water that are produced during digestion. Roughage absorbs glucose from the body. As a result of this, it helps in maintaining blood sugar and reduce the risk of diabetes. Next, balanced diet. We should consume food rich in nutrients. Our daily diet containing all the nutrients in right amount required for the healthy functioning of the body is called balanced diet. We should eat food from all food groups every day. Malnutrition. Many of the poor people do not get enough food to eat. This insufficient nourishment leads to physical weakness and bad health called malnutrition. First one, carbohydrate deficiency. Look at this child. He is suffering from a disease called marasmus. He is very thin and weak and also unable to move. The growth of the child is stopped and body tissue slowly wastes away. Protein deficiency. As you already know, proteins are very essential for children to grow. But if there is a deficiency of protein, it will affect the child, causing a disease called kwashiorkor. The symptoms of this disease are the stomach becomes swollen with water, muscles waste away, the skin gets discolored, hair becomes reddish and frizzy. Physical and mental growth of the child has also stopped. Diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamins are vitamin A, night blindness, vitamin B, beriberi, vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin D, rickets, vitamin E, low reproductive capacity, vitamin K, delayed blood clotting. Thank you, dear students. The lesson is completed.